Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove Spotify on Windows 10. So first of all, if you have a Spotify app on Windows, like this one I have here, and you want to remove it, then all you have to do is you have to go to the start button here, then go to settings. Now from here, you have to go to apps. Now on this box, you have to search Spotify, and there you go. You have the Spotify app, you have to click on it, then click on uninstall, and then you will be able to remove the app from Windows. Now there is another method, and that is you can go to the search box and now write control panel. After going to control panel, you will see programs, and under programs there is uninstall program. So you have to click on this. Now scroll down and you will find Spotify there. So click on it and then click uninstall. So we can see a pop-up saying, are you sure you want to uninstall Spotify? And we have to click OK. So it just uninstalled like that. It didn't even show any kind of progress bar. So anyway, we can also confirm the installation as the shortcut on the desktop has been removed. So that's how you can actually uninstall or remove Spotify from Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you next time.